Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Grind Don't Stop channel. If you don't remember me, my name is Nathan. That's Edgar over there. I know it's been a while. A lot has happened since we last uploaded. A lot of things happened in our business and our lives, and we kind of just want to share a few updates. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, so we've had a few comments about people asking, if we're still making videos, where we've been, they've been missing the videos. So first of all, yes, we still have a detailing business. As you can see, we still have all our chemicals with our shelf here. We just haven't been uploading to the channel. A lot's been going on and we just haven't had time to dedicate to the channel. But that's why we're kind of making this little update video. But yes, we are still doing the business, still going strong with it, still growing. Still working on it, but we have a lot of new things coming to the business also that we also want to share here in a little bit. All right, guys, so next thing we kind of wanted to tell y'all about, and it might be a little bit obvious if you haven't noticed already. We got a shop. For a little while there, we were renting out a storage unit. I'm not sure if we ever showed it in a video. I can show you some clips that I recorded, but I was moving out of my house because we were operating in my house for a good minute. Since I was moving out, I was selling my house. We've got a storage unit to kind of put all of our business stuff, and we're kind of operating out of there. But the opportunity to get the shop came up a little bit after in the process of selling my house, so it was a really good timing for all that. But let me show you around a little bit. Just have a nice little table here, work out some stuff. We had this rack in the storage unit, and then we just put this rack together just to get some more storage, get a little bit better organized, and then we just got this nice little utility cart. Yeah, it's a nice two bay shop. It has 3 doors. Just perfect for what we need. Store some of our personal things, and if we ever have some details, we can work on them in here, and we already worked on a few cars in here, so it's been just super helpful, especially in this Texas heat.
As Nathan mentioned, we did stop YouTube for a little bit. The main reason was we wanted to focus a little bit more on other things that we had forgotten to do and we really needed to do. One of those things was building a website. Me and Nathan tried to do our website on our own. We kind of struggled for a bit. We tried to do research on it, but it was a little bit overwhelming, so we actually paid someone to actually just build it for us, and so far it's been really good. We had several people already inquire through the website, so it's been pretty good. The next thing we really want to do is just maybe focus on Google Ads. So that's something that we're working on right now. Another thing that we really wanted to focus on was expanding the business. Especially now that we have the shop, we have more opportunities available to us, and we wanted to take advantage of them. So we wanted to actually get into tint. It's something that me and Nathan had talked about in the past, but without the shop, it's really hard to actually try it. So what we did some research on that, and we decided that Nathan was gonna go get some training, and he actually went to Houston to get training in tint. So now he's all certified, we're ready to go. We actually just received the last of the supplies that we needed to actually start officially selling tint. So we're gonna be open for business for that. We have been tinting a few cars here and there. Nathan has done his truck several times. He's done a few of the cars, and now we're ready to actually start offering it to customers.
So guys, a lot has happened. Like Edgar said, we're expanding, getting into tint. We bought the shop. So a lot has been going on. And it's kind of the reason why we haven't been uploading for a good while. We love making these videos. We love, showing y'all, what's going on in our business and just showing y'all what we learn and things we go through. But, honestly, guys, these videos, take a few hours to make, and we don't get paid for it. So we're just taking up a lot of our time to come up with the video ideas, record the videos, edit, and it was just cutting into our business. And it was just distracting us from, just growing our business and things and just in our personal lives too. So we really just wanted to lock into this year, just focus on the business and just, focus on things that we need to do to be successful. As far as the future of the channel, I still plan on trying to make some videos for y'all. Might not be the same form of content, but at least showing y'all just a few things that happen in, in our business. I know me and Edgar have been discussing maybe a podcast. If y'all interested in that, leave a comment. And it's a little side topic thing. Now that we have the shop, I'm kind of able to pursue a little hobby of mine. As you can see behind me, I got an old BMW. So I plan on starting a second channel, kind of just document, fixing up the cars. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you're interested about cars or anything about cars, check it out. I'll be uploading pretty soon to that. So for detailing content, go ahead and, subscribe to the channel, like the video. We plan on, uploading a little bit more consistently here, about the detailing and the business. So if you're interested in that, like the video, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the followers that we've had and all the people that have been wondering where we've been. I appreciate y'all. We're still here, we're still working, but thanks for watching again. Yeah, have a good day.